Is this the Krusty Krab?
Bitch, you guessed it! You was right.
Oh shit. Oh god.
Derp.
What's Gucci YouTube? Today, you might be wondering why. I've got this pot, and I got these 2 bags of rubber bands. Well, let me show you. Here I have this giant watermelon. And you've probably seen this type of video all over YouTube, but I want to do it for myself. So what this is basically you just take a bunch of rubber bands, you put them over the watermelon, like this. You just put as many rubber bands on this watermelon until it goes kabloom. It blows up, if you don't know what that means. But anyways, let's start.
There's no blood, there's no alibi, 'cause I've drawn regret from the truth of 1,000 lies. So let mercy come and wash away what I face myself. What you thought of me while I clean this slate with the hands of uncertainty.
Maybe that does something, I don't know. It made a loud ass crack. I hear it. It's coming. Oh my god, this is really, really suspenseful. It's always so hot. Like, why is it always so hot? And then when it storms, it's always at night. Why can't it storm during the day when I'm actually awake? I don't get it. Mother Nature, why you do these things? Whew. This is just to get a little bit of air on my body. Nah, bro. You're making weird noises again.
So let mercy come and wash away what
Oh, okay. I heard some weird ass noise. I thought it was the water man. God damn it. Alright.
Are you up?
Yeah. Shit. I'm out of rubber bands, but I got an idea. Let's do this. I'm gonna give it a little love tap. That didn't work. Blow up.
Dragonborn.
Oh shit. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I want to eat it.
Wait, watermelon inside. That was a lot bigger than I expected.
What did I do?
Oh my god.
Where did it go? Hey, look at this shit. Look it. Ew.
Here's all the rubber bands that we used. It looks like a potato.
Eat it. I want to be in the video.
Actually, good watermelon though.
I'm joining in the eatings of the watermelons.
Oh, and the other half is all the way over here.
Ooh,
Nice.
why is it warm?
Good thing I didn't do this in the
Of
basement.
course.
Papa warned me not to do this in the basement.
Yeah, for real.
Damn. Huh?
I'm sucking.
Because it was on the ground. It was good watermelon, bro.
You just ate shit off the ground.
I'm not gonna die.
It's like that Paul Blart Mall Cop. Where he says suck it up the ground.
Ooh. Alright, well that was actually well time spent on this because that was a lot better than I expected.
That was fun.
That
That totally worked too.
Yeah. I mean, I ran out of rubber bands.
I got to see it and I didn't have to do shit.
Yeah. And I just had to love tap it with the. Okay, I'm not cleaning this shit up though. No, I'm just kidding. I am. Ouch, I stepped in it. There's one spot. There's two spots. And there's everything else. Looks like a person blew up.
Oh, you got kind of.
Nice.
Yeah, that's not nice.
Ooh. Okay, but anyways, if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.
Dragon Ball.